As you can see, guys, today, the 1st of February 2021, there's a nor'easter in New York, and my location is Baldwin, Long Island, and I have about almost 11 inches of snow right now, and this is going to continue throughout the day, throughout the night until tomorrow, Tuesday. Uh, so, I'm in the house and I'm going to So I'll be staying in since there's an nor'easter outside, and I'll be preparing some soup, some split pea soup. I'll have some cow heel in there and some pigfoot and some yuca or cassava and some other stuff. And I'm also going to jerk some wings. I'm making some jerk wings. So let's go. Let's get started here. Keep warm. So here I have some Purdue wings that I've washed and dried, and I've seasoned them with some thyme, some dried thyme, pepper flakes, and some bullion seasoning. So, and I had these just sitting here. Now I'm going to apply the jerk seasoning, and I'm going to first apply some hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a little sweet and it gives it a nice color. So I'm going to put some hoisin sauce on here, maybe about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to rub that in. That was my oven. That's ready at 400. Preset your oven for 400. And then I'm going to put the walkerwood, the jerk seasoning. I'll probably also put a little bit of soy sauce in there, but you have to be careful because the walkerwood has its salt content is very high. So I'll be careful with the soy sauce. And you just needed some color, or maybe you can use some browning if you need a darker color instead of soy sauce. Soy sauce has the salt, so if you need a darker color, just use some browning, just a touch of browning. Okay. For the walkerwood, I do like maybe 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons, and I'll rub that in pretty good. So let me get some gloves, and I'll be back to put my hand in there. Okay, so we'll rub this in really well. Try to massage every piece and get the seasonings all in there. And we'll see, you probably have a little color, but depending on how dark you want it. And we're going to do this at 400 and for maybe about 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. And I think I'm good there. Got a little bit of browning. I need it a little darker. Okay, now I've done laying them out, single layer on my tray, and I'll put them in the oven 400 degrees, and we'll check them in 20 minutes and see how they come out. 20 to 25 minutes. It may take 30, but you know, you just have to keep checking. All stoves are different. My stove is kind of quick, so I usually would give it a shorter time, and if I do think I need some more time, I'll extend it another 5 minutes or so. So here we go. And here we go now. After 20 minutes, I'm looking at it. It's looking pretty good, and I'll try to test it now. Okay, at least we can see the oil that's coming out. It's clear, it's soft, and just a few more minutes. Maybe I'll just leave it in there another 5 minutes. I'll try to flip them over and let the underside get some heat, and we're done. Some jerk wings.